Welcome in computer class, students. In previous class we have seen about the MS Word, how to open it and parts of the MS Word window, that is the Microsoft Word. Once again we'll see. Click on start button, click on all programs, click on Microsoft Office and click on Microsoft Office Word 2007. So this will be the window of Microsoft Word 2007. The upside the topmost, that is the title bar. On the title bar you will see the quick access toolbar. Below the title bar there are the menus: home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review, view. Below the menu bar, you will see the ribbon of the tools. And this white area called as a text area where we can type, and this blinking line is called as a cursor. Today we are going to see working in Word. First we have to open the Word. Already we are there in the MS Word. On the menu bar, the Home tab is already selected. In the font group, Calibri is default selection in the font. Click on the arrow to see the drop-down menu of the font name. In font group, 11 point is a default selection in font size. Click on the arrow to see the list of font sizes. Click on a font size. For example, click on the 16 points. A drop-down menu closes. Now we will type in a few lines about the tiger. Type in the title the tiger. After typing, now press the enter key twice to leave 2 lines. Press the tab key to set the margin of the paragraph. Type in these lines. Now we will write few sentences about the tiger. As given in your book, the tiger is our national animal. It is a wild animal. It has a bright yellow color with the black strips. It has a bright shining eyes. The tiger can walk or run without making any noise. After typing, if you click on a close button on the title bar, you will see a dialog box, Microsoft Office Word, and it will ask you, do you want to save the changes to document 1? And 3 buttons will be visible over there: yes, no, cancel. If you click on no, Word will close the document without saving it, and you will lose all that you have typed. This means that it's important to save a document. If you click on yes, you will see the Save As dialog box, which will help you to save the document before closing it. So this is the Save As dialog box. Here in a file name, you can give the file name and you can save the document. One more method to save your document: on quick access toolbar, save tool is there. You can see on quick access toolbar, save tool is there. You can click on that. Then too you will get your Save As dialog box. Here you can type the name of the file and you can save the document. Another method for save a document: click on the Office button and there are the 2 options, Save and Save As. First time if you are saving, you have to click on the Save As. Save As dialog box will open. By default, the documents are going to save in the documents. Type the file name and click on the Save. Now this your document is saved. How to recognize? On the title bar, the tiger, the file name is going to display. Now close the document with the close button.